Example 31. Question is, differentiate a raised to x with respect to x. A raised to x with respect to x. Here a is a positive constant. So first we will start with, let the question be taken as y equal to a raised to x. What is the first procedure? You have to take log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, you get log y is equal to log of a raised to x. Log of a raised to b, according to the property of log, is x. Here you will get x log a, right? Log y is equal to x log a. Now what you need to do? You have to differentiate, take the derivative on both sides with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we will get log y as 1 by y into its derivative, which is dy by dx is equal to, this is actually two terms. Either you can take log a is a positive constant they have given in the question itself. Directly you can just infer that log a is a constant. You have to differentiate only x with respect to x. So you will get only what? Log a. और else अब आपको a constant है समझ नहीं आया, आपने u and v मेथड से किया, तब भी log a constant है, उसका डेरिवेटिव 0 डालोगे तो वो टर्म तो चला जाएगा. So here you will get only log a into derivative of x, which is 1. So log a आ रहा है, correct? You need to find out what is dy by dx. So you'll get y into log a. What is y taken as? A raised to x. So you'll get a raised to x log a. And this is actually a formula for the derivative of a raised to x. D by dx of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. Okay. For integration, you would have been studied that integration of a raised to x dx is a raised to x by log a. वहाँ पे denominator में आता है. Okay, this is clear. D by dx of a raised to x is a raised to x log a. That means in problems, if you are getting this term, you can directly write the derivative of a raised to x as a raised to x log a. Okay. Next one is x raised to sin x, where x is greater than 0. You have to differentiate. Example 32. Differentiate x raised to sin x, where x is greater than 0 with respect to x. Again, you start with y is equal to x raised to sin x. Taking log on both sides. We get log y is equal to log of x raised to sin x is equal to sin x log x. Right? Now what you need to do is differentiate both sides with respect to x. So log y will give you 1 by y dy by dx is equal to, here you have two terms. Both are terms of x, functions of x. So you have to differentiate using your V method. What is that? Product rule. Okay. So what you'll get? First function into derivative of second. Derivative of second means log. Log x derivative is 1 by x. With respect to x है इसलिए इसके साथ कुछ नहीं आएगा. d by dx by dx is 1. Okay. Plus second function into derivative of first. What is the derivative of sin x? Okay. So your answer, that is dy by dx, will be y into the whole thing, that is sin x by x plus log x into cos x. It's not acting as an angle of log. Okay, log x is one term, cos x is another. And now replace your y with whatever is given in the question. Y is equal to x raised to sin x. So your complete answer, total answer will be x raised to sin x into sin x by x plus log x into. Now if you want, because you have an x here, this is x raised to minus 1 when taken to the numerator. This is also x raised to something. So you can just combine these two terms if you want. That is not compulsory. If you want, you will write sin x into x raised to sin x minus 1 plus x raised to sin x log x cos x. And this last step is up to you. If you want, you can do. Otherwise, leave it like this also. Okay. This much is compulsory. Clear? That is your answer. Next one. Example 33. Question is find dy by dx if y raised to x plus x raised to y plus x raised to x equal to a raised to b. Okay, so you have actually three terms. So what we are doing is we are taking this as a variable, this another variable, third variable. Suppose you are taking u as your y raised to x, b as your raised to y, and w as your raised to x. The other thing, if you want, you can take, because the derivative of that will give you 0, because a and b both are constants. No function of x or y is there. So the right hand side will become 0 while taking the derivative. Okay. So what our purpose or our question reduces to x plus b, u plus v plus w equal to a raised to. That means we have to find out du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx. Differentiating both sides will give you d by dx of a raised to b. So you don't have any x, means the derivative will be 0. So this is your thing where you need to substitute all the values du by dx, dv by ये तीनों अलग अलग हमको करके, that is इसका logarithmic differentiation करके, इसका और इसका, all the three you have to do separately and then substitute here. While substituting, you will get dy by dx terms in all of these things, all of the three. You have to collect them and then find out dy by dx equal to. Okay, so this is the thing where we need to substitute. We will start with what is first one, u equal to y raised to x. Here you have to take, taking log on both sides, you will get log u is equal to log of y raised to x, which is x log y. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x, you will get 1 by u into du by dx, because instead of y you have u here. Okay, equal to, again this is one term, this is another term. UV method you have to use. So first function into derivative of second. Now when you are writing second, it is containing y. Wherever you have y, you have to take the derivative of y also. So derivative of log y will give you 1 by y into dy by dx plus log y second function into derivative of first, which is 1. D by dx of x is 1. Okay. So from this you will get what is du by dx equal to. Du by dx is, you will go there, u into x by y dy by dx plus log y. Okay. And instead of u, you have to replace the value of u, which is y raised to x into x by y dy by dx plus log y. Okay, again here you have an option. See, here you have a y, here it is y raised to x. If you want, you can make it as y raised to x minus 1, x into y raised to x minus 1 into dy by dx plus y raised to x into log y. So this is your du by dx. The next one is you have to find out what is dv by dx. So for that, we will take what is v taken as v is equal to x raised to y. So you'll get, again taking log on both sides, log v is equal to y log x. You'll get 1 by differentiating both sides. You'll get 1 by v into v by dx equal to y into, again taking two terms as u and v, y into 1 by x. Again this is x, so you need not take v by dx. That will give you 1 only. Plus log x into y. Sorry, log x into derivative of y, which is dy by dx. Okay. So here you will get dv by dx is equal to, I am taking v to the other part, so that you will get y by x plus log x into dy by dx. Again replacing your v with the value which you have taken, x raised to y into y by x plus log x into dy by dx. These two again you can combine, so that this will give you y into x raised to y minus 1 plus x raised to y into log x into dy by dx. Okay, this is your dv by dx. Now one more thing which you need is your dw by dx. For that, we start with w equal to x raised to x. Taking log on both sides, log w is equal to x log x. Differentiating both sides, you'll get log w, sorry, 1 by w into dw by dx equal to x into log x derivative will give you 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x is 1. We are getting dw by dx as this x and x will get cancelled. We are getting only 1 plus x. Okay, w into 1 plus log x. Right? Now what is w? X raised to x. So x raised to x into 1 plus log. Here you are not getting any dy by dx term because it doesn't contain any y. Okay. Now the purpose is you have to substitute all the three values in this equation. Okay. I'm just rubbing all the other parts. I want only these three things. Okay. dw by was your du by dx. Du by dx you got it to be y raised to x. X into y raised to x minus 1 into dy by dx plus y raised to x into log y. dv by dx was, how much you got? dv by dx will be x raised to y minus 1 to y. Right? Now all the three values we are substituting here. So that you are getting du by dx as x y raised to x minus 1 dy by dx plus y raised to x log y plus dv by dx is y x raised to y minus 1 plus x raised to y log y, sorry, log x dy by dx plus x raised to x plus, if you want, you can separate it also, equal to 0. That equal to 0 is very important because then only you can write dy by dx equal to. If you don't have equal to sign, you will not be able to write also. Now you have to just collect the terms where you have dy by dx, so that you will get dy by dx into y raised to x minus 1 plus x raised to y into log x. Remaining all the terms can be taken to the other side. Y raised to, so minus of डाल देते हैं सब plus में है तो minus of y raised to x log y plus y into x raised to y minus 1 plus x raised to x plus x raised to x. That means you will get your dy by dx as minus of y raised to x log y plus y x raised to y minus 1 plus x raised to x plus x raised to x log x divided by x y raised to x minus 1 plus x raised to y. Okay, this is the way you have to find out your dy by dx when you have many terms of power. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then.